Welcome to another tutorial. Now for today's lesson, we'll be looking at system software. System software, one may ask. System software is a set of instructions, data, or program used to operate computers and execute specific. System software is a name given to the software that controls the hardware and how all other software works. It includes the operating system, utility programs, device drivers, and language translators. Now let us examine operating system. Now this is a collection of programs that handles technical tasks. So for example, it manages your computer resources, provides a user interface, and also runs the applications. Now examples of operating system are like your Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, your Mac OS, Linux, and Unix. Now before your computer is boot up and all the good stuff happens and you're on your machine now and it's operational, first it needs to go through several tests. So after your computer is powered on, it performs the POS. Now that is your power on self-test. Now what this does is to diagnose the program built into the computer's hardware and test the different hardware components before the computer is boot up. So afterwards, it goes to your hard drive. Then the operating system is loaded from your hard drive to your random access memory, and that results in all the good stuff that you're now seeing on your computer screen. Now here we examine some functions of an operating system. So first, it manages the computer resources. That therefore means it coordinates memory and processing, monitors system performance, schedule tasks, that's all the tasks need to be done, provides security, whether through biometric system or using a regular password or PIN or a pattern or facial recognition or voice recognition. It also starts up your computer. The operating system also provides a user interface, which are your graphical user interface, your menu-driven interface, and your command line interface. On another tutorial, we'll be looking at those interfaces. It also runs application and it can also provide multitasking. Therefore, it allows the user to run more than one program at a time. Categories of an operating system. Now, there are three basic categories. Your embedded operating system, which is your handheld. So that includes your smartphone, your cable TV, 200 boxes, and video game system or your video game console. Network operating system. So these link computers together, such as your Windows server, your Linux, your Unix. So your operating system store on a network server which coordinates all communication between the other computer. And also you have your standalone operating system, which is used on desktop. So it's also called client operating system. So within mobile operating system, there is an embedded operating system in every smartphone out there right now. So from your iPhone to your Samsung to your LG, most of the phones that are Android or iOS has an embedded operating system. So some of the best known operating system are Android, your BlackBerry OS, your iPhone operating system, your web operating system, and Windows Phone. A very important aspect of your system software are your utility programs or your utilities. Now, this is a specialized program that tries to protect and maintain the system software. It therefore then troubleshoot and diagnose programs. It provides antivirus programs to protect your computer against viruses, worms, or whichever threat that may threaten your computer. It provides backup programs, so therefore you can back up your information, back up your programs just in case your computer crash or your operating system crash. And in that sense, you'll be able to restore it because it also provides recovery. So you can go back and recover your programs and reinstall them or so forth It also provides file compression program. Device drivers is another important aspect of your operating system. And why is that? It's because it allows communication between a device and the computer. It is loaded into the computer's memory each time it is started. Also, when a new device is added, new device drivers must be installed. So, for example, when you plug in a keyboard, a device driver has to be installed for your keyboard to function with that operating system. Or if you plug in a mouse, a barcode reader, and so forth. So Windows already has many drivers within the system software pre-installed. Now, without your language translators, there wouldn't be any way of converting your programming language into machine language for it to be processed by your computer. Alright, so language translators are very important. Why? Because it converts your programming language into binary numbers, which is a language that the computer understands. Now here comes the end of our tutorial. Hope you have learned something. Also, remember to like, share, and subscribe.